Hey guys, welcome back. It's Bob Guttold back at the Turn 4 Automotive Performance YouTube channel. Back in the showroom today with another product review for you. This is one of Weathertech's newer products. Weathertech, we are a Weathertech diamond dealer. One of their newest products they got out that we're going to review for you, the Underseat Organizer. They have this available for select trucks. They're adding more and more every day. These are all, as you know, with their Weathertech floor liners, if you've had them, they're all water resistant. They do hold water. They do not leak through. They're all 3D measured. These are designed for vehicle specific applications, not universal fit. Really great product made of 100% recyclable material, just like their Weathertech floor liner. Is going to fit directly under the seat for the make and model truck that you have. These are chemical resistant, so they don't burn through or wear through. Very durable products from Weathertech. They never seem to show any wear on them. They last forever for the life of the vehicle. These have built-in dividers on them, unlike some of the Underseat organizers you get from the factory that come with your newer trucks. These have different dividers in them that raise up to keep, you know, if you spill some fluid or oil or a drink or something that's in one of these separate sections, it's going to keep it from leaking across the entire width of the truck and hold it to a separate section. We're going to go ahead and unbox this for you today. This is how they come. If you need to order one of these, give us a call or go to our Facebook page, Turn 4 Automotive on Facebook. 207-657-5467 is the phone number. If you do order one of these for Christmas or for a gift, be aware this is the box it comes in, so it's not very discreet. Whoever you're buying it for, if they pick up the packages that show up from UPS or FedEx, they will see what this is. So be sure to either order some gift wrapping or to order a make sure that it's going to go somewhere else where the person that's getting this as a gift is not going to see it. I know we are heading into the holiday season, so we're going to break into this WeatherTech storage system. Just going to the side here. WeatherTech always packs their items really well. This is going to be the easiest to install storage you're going to put in a newer pickup. So it just comes in the plastic bag. Fits the box really nicely. We'll toss that off to the side here. So this one here is for a Chevy truck. You can see there's 3 different compartments on this one. Like I said, all set, different cargo compartments to, you know, if something spills, it's not going to travel across the whole thing. It is built directly for the vehicle. This is going in a Chevrolet. It goes all the way side to side. Very deep compartments here, as you can see. Fit your whole hand and wrist inside one of these things. So very nice item here from WeatherTech. Durable, molded. You can't really flex it out of shape. It is how they come. So we're going to show you some of the water holding capabilities of these. So like we said, we got a bottle of Poland Spring water here. We're going to show you, you know, so if this spills underneath your seat, it does stay in the middle compartment here. We dumped it. Said very liquid resistant. It will pool up the liquid. It'll stay in certain areas. That way it doesn't travel across the whole truck and leak out on the sides. This is built up on all the corners so that you can't actually leak something over the side of this unless you pour a substantial amount of water in this. This is, you know, a 20 fluid ounce bottle, and even this real shallow middle compartment holds the entire thing without any issue at all. So these things hold a lot of fluid. As you can see, we're going to show you in the close-up videos. Thank you for watching along. Thank you to Weathertech for making these items, and order one of these for your son, your father, your husband, and anybody who's got a truck that really needs that underseat storage. We know the back seats of these extended cab and crew cab vehicles turn into more of a shelf than a seating area. So you're going to carry the kids around, you're going to carry other people around to the job site or stuff. Be sure you lift that seat up, put stuff you need underneath it in one of these Weathertech Underseat cargo systems. Thank you for watching and have a very good day.